cannot have any perfect statistic. We attempted the best that we can. We have reduced the party list to 79 from an original of 187 pa lang original. We have practically prohibited new applicants based on the decision that we have. Halos wala na yung mga new applicants, konting-konti na lang ang lumusok. This is the first time that we went into a review of the existing party list. And we have removed plenty of them, one half existing.
So satisfied?
I think it is not really a very bad one. I am not satisfied. You're going to ask me ako mismo.
Yeah.
Gusto ko na sanang in-abolish na lahat yan para wala nang election sa party list.
Bakit, sir?
Para magbago na tayo at mag-umpisa naman tayo ng panibagong batas na maganda. Pero hindi naman sabi ko nga, keep on repeating, this is a collegial body, which means individual voting and the majority is always in control. Pero wala naman kaming consistency sa majority. Mabago-bago kami lahat.
Kailangan pong baguhin ang batas in particular.
Hindi ko sinasabi maski ako consistent o hindi. There are areas where I refuse to vote already. There are areas where I inhibited myself because of previous clients.
Sir, ma-intense ba yung
Sometimes my inhibition affected the results.